Hello fellow traders, welcome to your favorite channel, Top Master Trader, where your journey to market mastery begins. Today I want to quickly show you how to use and how powerful are two numbers of Fibonacci, the big fee and the small fee. What are they? That's 61.8 and 161.8. Why they are called big fee and the small fee? Because these numbers are the ratios between two consecutive numbers in Fibonacci sequence, so-called a golden ratio, the ratio that Greeks and Romans, they loved so much when they were building their temples. So we are building our temple, which is our bank accounts, the trading accounts, and let's see how to use this tool on the live market happening right now. This is the Bitcoin, and we have, what do we have here? We have impulse, correction, and impulse. So A, B, C, and D. And how lovely would it be if we could know where, after taking a position, where to take our profits. If I tell you that all you need to do is just press here, which is B, to A, and you've got your 161.8, which is exactly the target. So that's where, my friend, you should take your profits. So if you were selling, beautiful. That's how you maximize your profits. But if you didn't sell before and you are waiting to buy, that's the place where you can buy. And look at this movement, a beautiful, strong movement. What's next? How could you predict this movement? Look to the left, 61.8. But is it 61.8 of this whole movement? No, this is actually reversed 61.8 from this movement. But if we want to calculate this whole movement here, we need to put it properly. So A, B, and we've got our point C. That's when we are opening the position and we are selling. And look at this drop from 91,400 all the way down to 87,845. Beautiful, strong move. And what's happening here? Look at the reaction. So you take your profits, beautiful 3,500 profits, and then the market struggles again at this level. That's how powerful our 161.8 from the initial impulse is. That's where the market can't go above. It's pulling back again. Power of two Fibonacci numbers, the small fee and the big fee, the golden ratio. This is the Sabio trade platform that I'm using right now. That's the prop firm that I recommend to trade with. I have as well special code for you, 30% off. 30% off from already heavily discounted and competitive prices. So grab the bargain, take the challenge if you feel that you are good enough to take the challenge. If you don't feel like that, don't do that. Don't waste your money. Better spend it on a proper course. Come to my website, take one of my courses, invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, invest in your confidence in trading, and then and only then take the challenge. Don't waste money on stop losses and on challenges if you are not skilled. First, sharpen your tool, which is your mind, between your ears. Learn properly. If you think that this lesson was valuable, wait until you take my course. There is a ton of value over there. You will become a top master trader and you will not look back at your life. You will enjoy the beautiful skill of trading, which can give you huge freedom. So if you love to trade with Fibonacci explore 61.8 and 161.8, the big fee and the small fee. The YouTube will recommend to you some beautiful videos of mine on the site. Go and watch them. There is one that I'm already explaining how to use Fibonacci extensions, Fibonacci expansions, and Fibonacci retracement. So if you don't know how to use this tool properly, what are the other levels, watch these videos, familiarize yourself with this tool, gain confidence, and get into trading fully skilled. Until the next time, all the best, my friend. Take care. The markets never stop, and neither should you. So watch one of these videos next.